Smoothie Bomb, the multitasker. This is the trial, guys. To drink, it has all flavors or 5 flavor smoothie bombs. So one is golden chai. See, that's the multitasker compostable container that they sent to us. One flavor is golden chai. Flavors included: 1 golden chai, the peanut butter, the raw cacao, super berries, and the super greens. I got super greens in crumble, but I ordered 15 of them in one box. You can order 25 pieces in a big box, but I ordered 15 pieces for now. And I ordered this 2 of the multitasker, which is the trial one. Let's see what it look like inside, because some of them I haven't ordered. So this is the good if you want to try any of the flavor, you know. So one here is golden chai. It's probably a tea. So that's it. Kit boxes. So one here is golden chai. One is peanut butter. That's orange one or orangey color. One is the one flavor. Third one is super berries. Super greens. The fourth one, and the fifth one, but last but not least, is raw cacao. So overall are the same with the container. If I open the same one, it's the same lid or same inside too. Let's open it anyway. That's how it shows when they send it to us. So here is the other one container. It's very easy to open. Just flip this lid in the top. Voila! You got this peanut butter, the chai, peanut butter. Alright, that's the chai, peanut butter, super berries, the raw cacao, the super berries, and the super greens. So this is all in 2 container is 10 pieces. So each container it composed 5 of the different flavors. So if you are new user or new drinker for the Smoothie Bomb, you have to order the trial packaging, which is this one. Consists of 10 of them. 5 of each flavor. So I ordered 2 of them because they are sell last 2 weeks ago. I don't know now if they're still selling. So this one here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So of course 2 container I've been ordering them. So this is, I guess this is a guide that when you want to get this or not. This is the Xenia and the Lana, the mother-daughter business. You can order if you're in Australia. I tried this few months ago. Now I'm really liking it. It works for me. And also if you do IF, short for intermittent fasting, which really good deal for you. Make sure you do the right thing for yourselves. Smoothie bomb, smoothie, super berry bombs. Here's all the ingredients if you would like to follow the ingredients. Of course, 1 fair chop, 1 cup of milk of the choice that you like, either dairy milk or the alternative milk. Consists of almond, dairy, oat milk, and other stuff that there is non-dairy there. And blend with ice for 1 minute on high. So when you put ice, it's fine. If you don't want ice, don't put the ice. Okay. Golden chai smoothie. Here is the one. Mango chai smoothie. I think you can mix this together with your powder, like the meal replaceable. You can replace that with them. So I got one here. I'll get this replaceable meal. I got this. Now here, berries. And I ordered both of them. One is the berries. This one one is the chocolate one. One is the berry. So get 2 scoops on that. That's a replaceable protein, and if you want the chocolate, you can. So one of these, or 2 scoops of that, 2 scoops of this cacao or chocolate or the berries, or which one you like. I think I can do one each, and then a crumble of this, and then they go together in the smoothie. So I am gonna try this, and I'll just show you later which one I like to put, or which kind of fruit I would like to add for this one. Alright, this one I'm gonna prepare with a nice bottle, and I'm just gonna complete the bottle, guys. Oh man, the nice glasses. I put them together here. The 25 of them, we won't put in the super green. This time I put this one here. It's probably just really good fit. So I don't have a name for that now, but I remember all the names in this. So here is our smoothie bomb together with meal replacement of protein. So 2 scoops of that, and one of our designated choice of our crumbled smoothie bombs trial, or what do you call that one? Multitasker. So this is the trials. So yeah, I'm trying one each. One of this and consists of a chocolate flavor, and then I'll get one of the favorite fruits that I want. Most of them I use pear, apple, or maybe most of the time is full of beautiful nice ripe bananas. And then milk of my choice, like oat milk, any kind of milk you like, but I always like to go the non-dairy milk. You know, you always choose non-dairy milk now, because I do believe I got intolerant in the dairy product, especially milk. When I was young, we always do milk all the time. Dairy milk, non-dairy. So this time I tried the non-dairy milk, and it's really good. My blame is less, and I feel good about it. So I keep doing it. So this is this peanut butter. So I love the peanut butter, so why not? I'll try the peanut butter. And one of this here, and then milk choice, and then 1 banana, and then I'll smoothie that. Cheers guys, I showed it to you. Cheers.